I have questions. I always have lots of questions. I ask my parents questions all the time. Lately, I have lots of questions about black holes. How did people find them? How did they form? Can a whole universe get pulled into a black hole? I always get bored, and that's why I make new inventions. I tried making a telescope, but that went horribly wrong. And once I got bored, and then I worked on inventing a new lamp, and it took me hours. Sometimes I even get bored with doing stuff I really like to do, and then I think about space. Another kid told me if you get pulled into a black hole, you'll turn into a noodle. Is this true? I wasn't so sure about that. I love to think about space, and I have a telescope. We gave it to my dad for his birthday. Our telescope is a bit fat, and it has many lenses. One lens is very strong, and it makes planets very bright. And there's also this weird machine you just put on the telescope and it can take pictures, for example, the moon. I haven't seen a black hole yet, but my friend gave me a book about space with 2 big pages only about black holes. Now I'll tell you what I learned. Our galaxy has many black holes. One is called Sagittarius A. It is supermassive. Scientists believe it may have 4.3 million times the mass of the sun. I wonder what happens when a black hole meets a black hole. The book said they send ripples through space called gravity waves, but I want to know more, not only one small information. My favorite thing I learned about is spaghettification. Remember what I told you about turning into a noodle? Well, if you fell into a black hole, your body would get stretched out so long and thin, it would be like a noodle. You'd get longer and longer and thinner until you disappear. It's hard to be bored when you think about stuff like this. But I still get bored. I have questions, lots of questions, and then I wonder about space. I want to see a black hole when I grow up, and after I do, I'll tell you more about it.